Ready to play fetch, buddy? Go get it!
Hi, friends. I'm Neo, and this is my dog, Asto. Today, we're going on a color quest. Can you help us find all the colors?
Can you help us find all the colors?
Look, a red ball. Can you say red? Look, a red ball. Can you say red? Now, look at this apple. Now, look at this apple. What color is the apple? What color is the apple? What color is the apple? Correct, green. Correct, green. This apple is green. This apple is green. Look at this car. Look at this car. What color is it? What color is it?
Yellow! Yellow!
What color is it? What color is it? Purple! Purple! What color is it? What color is it?
Orange!
What color is it? What color is it? Pink! Pink! What color is the bear? What color is the bear? The bear is brown. The bear is brown. What color is the hat? What color is the hat? The hat is black. The hat is black. What color is the van? What color is the van? The van is white. The van is white. What color is the wolf? What color is the wolf? The wolf is gray. The wolf is gray. Let's repeat all the colors together. Let's repeat all the colors together. Red, orange, yellow. Red, orange, yellow.
Green, blue, purple. Green, blue, purple. Green, blue, purple.
Pink, brown, black. Pink, brown, black. White, gray. White, gray.
White clouds are pretty. Gray rocks are cool.
We need to count from 1 to 10. Ready? 1. Whoop. 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. How many red apples do you see? How many red apples do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red apples. Can you say it? 5 red apples. Can you say it? 5 red apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to count from 6 to 10. 6. 6. Wow, look at all the balloons. It's like a dream. Look at the blue balloons. Look at the blue balloons. How many are there? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. 8. Kids are amazed. 9. 9. 10. 10. We did it, boy! Look at this crystal! Let's celebrate together, buddy.